Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Step by Step with Melissa. The potatoes have baked. I have processed them along with the Swiss chard, and you can see it sitting here right now, ready for me to blend in with some flour. And so, of course, this is going to be my first attempt at this, so I think it might be a little sticky at first, but we need to put in more flour anyway, so we're just going to start with this. This is our dough. This is our gnocchi dough. And I was a little surprised that at first there was some red bits remaining, but not as much as I was hoping. In fact, I mean, I knew that there wouldn't be a lot, but I was hoping there would be more. But this is very tender, very, very, very tender, so that's great. And then I ask myself, do I need more flour? The answer is yes, you need more flour. So it is kind of starchy, which is great. That's perfect. That's the way it needs to be. But it's almost too starchy, so we need to really add some more flour. But my gosh, it's tender. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm not an expert, as you can tell, but you know, this is what we do when we're home chefs. I know Gordon Ramsay'd be mad at me right about now, but you know what? I don't have to eat his beef bourguignon or whatever he makes every day, so he doesn't have to eat my gnocchi. Although Gordon, I do respect you, of course, but I don't want you to yell at me. Oops. Kind of a messy chef too sometimes. I know that's not appropriate. I've got classic Italian music playing in the background if you're wondering. And that's just kind of to set the mood so that everybody is ready for the gnocchi. Gosh, it's turned out better than I thought it would, to be honest. First time doing this. But I love to experiment. So here we are. Rolling in the dough. The green dough. Just kidding. Put a little bit more flour here just to kind of make it less starchy, really. I guess that's the word. God, it's so tender though. Gosh. So tender. I think we've got ourselves a product. Look at this here. Finish things up. Supposed to roll it into a dough, or into a big, not a big fat circle actually. Supposed to roll it into a half-inch probably. Maybe I'll cut it in half. Yeah. Let me get this guy. Gosh, so tender. Holy moly. Okay, like I said, I think I was going to make fatter gnocchi anyway. I was joking with my friend who told me that gnocchi, the I, makes pasta plural. So you've got ravioli, gnocchi, penne doesn't work, I guess, rigatoni, like that. So that makes it plural. And so if you have one big fat one, it'd be gnocco. So I'm not going to make one big fat gnocco, but I am going to make fat gnocchi because we're going to fry these babies. So I'm just going to take my little thing, my little pasta cutter, slice these babies. This looks like one big fat snake, but I bet it will taste better than the reptile, for sure. Okay, half down, one to go. Another half to go. Oh, of course I'm going to take a little fork and pinch them. But let's get these out of the way here. I'm telling you, this is the most tender pasta I've ever worked with in my life. Holy moly. Gosh, it's like Play-Doh. It's amazing. I think it might be the Swiss chard. Or the starchy potatoes. And rolling, rolling, rolling. That's about it, what I want. There are no ridges on this like there are onions, so I'm just guessing. That is a tribute to my chopped onion special. Okay. Now, on to, oh, I had a fork somewhere. Okay. So I suppose what I'm going to do is I'm just going to indent these just like that. Look. No, that's cute. That's a cute little gnocchi, I think. So I'm just going to continue to do that to each and every one of these. And then I'm going to fry them. So I will let you go for now as I continue to press these with a fork. And then I will fry some. And I'll let you see the finished batch because you probably don't need me to show you how to fry. Then we will continue on with our appetizer. Bye.